You are watching Tesla's second factory in China. Yesterday, Tesla announced that the construction of the company's new plant in China, which will produce superchargers for China and probably for Southeast Asia, has been officially completed, and Bloomberg also reported that the factory was put into operation and the first batch of Supercharger V3 products has already entered the assembly line. Today, we have a video from our friend Vuva, who has the place of factory. He located the factory and you're seeing it on your screen. Vuva says that the factory is located, the Tesla Supercharger factory in China is located approximately 6 kilometers east from the Shanghai, Giga Shanghai plant, which is about probably 4 miles east of Giga Shanghai plant, and leases a local company's warehouse. The charging pile factory is located on Tiangao Road. There is no prominent Tesla logo at the factory gate, Vuva says, and the factory building is now different from the surrounding buildings. Tesla's Shanghai Supercharger plant, with an investment of approximately 42 million yuan and an area of nearly 5,000 square meters, will combine research and development and production with an initial capacity of 10,000 supercharger per year, mainly for the V3 product. The product is Tesla's most advanced charging pile with a maximum range of 250 kilometers in 15 minutes of charging and has multiple advantages such as ultralight liquid cooled charging cables. Throughout 2020, more than 410 Tesla superchargers have been built in mainland China, including more than 180 Tesla V Superchargers. Previously, Tesla Superchargers were imported from the United States, and Vuva says the production of superchargers in China will not only accelerate the popularity of V3 Superchargers, the world's top charging equipment in China, but will also contribute to the development of a new infrastructure for charging piles in China. Friends, as you're watching this factory, thanks to our friend Vuva, who I have permission to share with you, please also subscribe to our channel and join our community. You know, as Tesla seeks to expand its market share in China, it is not only expanding its car production lines in mainland China, but also building, a factory, like I said, to manufacture of its electric vehicle, to manufacture chargers for its electric vehicles. If you remember, the announcement came last November that it has plans to produce electric car chargers in China starting in 2021, and yesterday it already started. In the construction of a 54,000 square foot factory was invested $6.4 million, like I said, 42 million yuan, which is $6.4 million. The facility will be able to produce 10,000 chargers a year, and it is reported that most of the piles produced there will be at the fast charging V3 variant. The charging pile factory will further contribute to the rapid development of Tesla's charging network in China, says Eva Fox from the Testmania.com, adding, having a wide network of charging stations is one of the most important criteria when choosing an electric vehicle, which will not only attract even more customers, but also give the company an exclusive competitive advantage in the new electric vehicle market in China. When you are buying a Tesla, you know that there is no problem with charging, charging speed, and everything is further improving. China is a huge market for electric vehicles, and especially for Tesla, which is very popular there. Tesla's team in China has significant plans to expand the charging infrastructure there to ensure the best ownership experience for Tesla owners in China who buy from Giga Shanghai. You know that so far Tesla has been producing the Model 3 very successfully and very successfully selling the Model 3 electric sedan in China, and now Tesla has started the production of Model Y in China, which apparently already several months is sold out. If you put an order for Tesla Model Y electric vehicle, electric crossover in China made in Giga Shanghai, you probably need to wait until March, or actually until April, or even probably May now. The country's government is also helping pave the way for this expansion, because thanks to Tesla, China will be able to quickly achieve its goal of increasing the number of electric vehicles on its roads. This is going to save them on gas mining, bringing oil from the Middle East, and also is going to help them to clear the air. More and more electric cars are put in Chinese roads. Well, friends, let's continue watching Vuva's video, and in the meantime, this is Armen Harian from torquenews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla coverage. I plan several very interesting stories coming today, so please join our community. And thanks to Vuva for this wonderful video and for sharing this with Torque News community. You can find Vuva's links and in the description of this video. Well, friends, have a wonderful rest of the day, and let's continue watching the video. See you soon, and peace be with all of you.
Yeah.